Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive donations on Ko-Fi in 2026. So if you want to start earning support from your audience, this guide will walk you through the full setup step by step. First, go to Ko-Fi and either sign in or create your account using email or Google. Now set up your profile with your name, picture, and a short description so people know what you do. Once inside your dashboard, make sure the donations feature is turned on. This is what lets people send you support. Next, connect your PayPal or Stripe account so you can actually receive money from donations. Now customize your Ko-Fi page. Add a banner, a message, and a Buy Me a Coffee button to encourage supporters. After setup, copy your Ko-Fi link and share it on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere your audience is active. When someone sends you a donation, it will appear in your Ko-Fi dashboard and also be transferred to your PayPal or Stripe account. You can track all donations in real time from your earnings dashboard, and make sure your payment account is verified or donations may not go through properly. So that's how to receive donations on Ko-Fi in 2026. Once everything is set up, you can start getting support from your audience anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.